喂，家權啊，今日香港地都好似冇咩好嘢食咁樣，就嚟我哋嘅節目呢都冇咩好講啦。
阿豆哥，你食埋今晚呢餐咧，包保你大把嘢講啊！
切，食嚟食去咪又係嗰啲嘢。
誒，咁啊唔係咁講喎。嗱，呢度啲嘢除咗好食之外咧，仲好特別。
係。
你明知呢度冇魚子醬食，自己帶埋嚟都有嘅。
呢度啲麵包夾魚子醬一流啊，間中食下唔緊要嘅。
我諗住間中食一次冇所謂先得㗎，你都知㗎，咁樣一啖就冇咗成千條魚，係咪想啲子孫第時冇魚食啊？尊重產卵季節，尊重產卵季節，尊重產卵季節。尊重產卵季節係 Foundation Fish and Seasons 認證可持續發展海產其中一個好重要嘅因素，要俾每一種魚都有佢哋嘅繁殖空間同時間。世界上有好多認證可持續發展海產嘅組織，佢哋嘅認證標準都包括配額、捕撈方法要唔損害海洋生態、魚同埋魚網眼大小嘅規定、漁船牌照同埋設備嘅監管等等，但就忽略咗產卵期嘅重要。其實海產要可持續發展，尊重產卵季節呢一點係非常重要。
層次有11、2樓咁高，不過唔係好明。
嗱，即係咁樣，除咗啲基本認證標準之外咧，仲應該為每一種魚訂立唔同嘅休漁期。
我知啊，年年都有2個半月休漁期噶嘛。
你唔可以每一種魚都係嗰2個半月休漁期噶嘛，因為咧每種魚嘅產卵期係唔同，所以應該有唔同嘅休漁期。
咁咪即係休漁期咯，有咩唔同啫？
你講極你都唔明嘅，每種魚有唔同嘅產卵期啊！啊，即係咁樣，會唔會每個媽咪約埋喺同一時間生 BB 啊？唔會噶嘛，所以唔需要，亦都唔可以一刀切定個休漁期，明解冇啊？
一刀切。
不如影啊，其實今日諗住叫你嚟咧係試菜㗎，咁咧嚟緊我哋有個新主題啦，叫做尊重產卵季節。
喂，我都尊重產卵期啊、休漁期咁樣噶。你高智慧，你教下我咧。
尊重產卵嘅季節，即係唔好騷擾佢哋嘅繁殖期，等佢可以好好咁生長。咁啲魚味好咗啦，咁可以俾客人知道產卵季節同埋休漁期關係咯。
咁呢個時候捉嘅海產究竟有咩唔好咧？
Everybody needs to know that all kinds of fish, all kinds of shellfish, has a good and a bad season. The bad season is when the fish is starting to spawn the eggs. If we catch them, they can't reproduce. Bad for the population. The taste is no good. But also, the meat is very skinny. It's no good at all. Scientists found out if we leave the fish just swimming in the ocean, it can reproduce. If we disturb the fish by catching, it produces less eggs. So it's very important. If we want to sustain our fish stocks, just consume and fish seasonal. We can sustain the future. We need to do something before it's too late.
所以咧，如果我哋可以喺海產產卵期學歐洲嗰邊做到不捕撈、不買賣、不食用，咁就好啦。
我會虛心學習。
講係咁講啫，我唔信你都學到喎。
喂，
要尊重產卵季節，我哋就要喺海產產卵期做到不捕撈、不買賣、不食用。唔知係我講過喎，我哋聽下怡邦點講啊。
Spawning aggregations are really important because they're the only times that these animals come together to reproduce. And the aggregations are very predictable in time. When fishermen find them, they're very attractive to go back and fish again and again. And if you do that without managing the fishery, then those aggregations will disappear. Then the populations of these fish can't continue into the future. To be sure that we have these aggregations in the future and that these fish continue to reproduce, the best ways of managing the aggregations is actually not to fish on these animals when they are gathered to reproduce. We can fish on them the rest of the year, leave the mums and dads in peace to make the babies so that we have fisheries for the future.
嗱，所以你咪話尊重產卵期唔重要噃？
明晒。 我哋要嘅係每種海產個別嘅休漁期，而唔係每年得嗰2個半月嘅停捕期。Understand？
咁幾時係產卵期？幾時係休漁期？幾時係停捕期啊？你答得出就好出奇啦！
嗱，呢一集我哋介紹一餐非常之矜貴嘅海鮮。
唔係貴價個貴，係珍貴個貴，因為呢啲海產咧唔係時時有得食嘅。
點解唔係時時有得食呢？我哋知鬼咩？我哋請專家嚟講啦嘛。我哋有請黃允瑩小姐，
有請瑩瑩。
尊重產卵季節咧，即係為每一種魚設立個別嘅休漁期。
喂，為食鬼有問題，尊重產卵季節有咩着數先？至於產卵期嘅海產，營養都係集中喺精子同卵子度，因為佢哋嘅習性係聚居㗎，所以好易俾人一網打盡，亦都將基因好嘅海產一齊捉埋，影響咗日後繁殖嘅數量同質素。而冇被捉到，因為捕撈時嘅驅趕受到驚嚇，影響咗卵同卵嘅質素㗎。一句講晒，唔適合嘅捕撈方法同時期，係會直接破壞海洋生態同埋產卵地點㗎。長年有魚食，啲魚仲可以順利繁殖生長，肉質仲
咁就為之可持續發展啦。明解冇？
啊！有個為食鬼又問喎，人哋歐洲做咗咁多年，就話可以做到產卵期不捕撈、不買賣、不食用啫，我哋又得唔得先？
咁不如聽下佢講啊！
絕對認同呢個產卵期，最好啲漁民咧就停止捕捉，因為咧有機會俾佢散咗春，咁啊多啲魚仔啊，同埋一條魚咧，照我嘅經驗啦，起碼有過萬以上，或者10萬多者10萬8萬個魚仔啊！如果你唔捉佢咧，成海都魚噶啦，即係到等佢成長嘅時候就多好多魚啊！咁呢個啊，我係絕對支持嘅。呢個喺產卵期最好就唔好去捕捉。
嗱，係咪咧？我都話大把嘢講噶啦。
哇！原來尊重產卵季節係咁緊要嘅，唔使規定年年有2個半月冇魚食，長年有唔同種類嘅魚食之餘咧，仲可以保育到海產，
而且咧仲唔使捱貴魚喎。咦，咁咪雙贏咯！
若果而家我同你有得食3贏添啊！哇！即講即有，咁就為食鬼食啦喂！